Hello, my name is Tim Laguardia, and I'm here in the service department at New Tech Machinery. Today, I will be going over how to adjust uphill and downhill in your panels on the FF100 and the FF150 profiles. Once you have determined which side or both sides have the uphill or downhill, you will need to adjust the very last station in your FF100 or your FF150 profile. You will need a 9/16 wrench, and by going clockwise on this bolt right here, you would go downhill. By going counterclockwise, it would take the uphill out, and you simply just turn the bolt head. When making adjustments on these bolts, go in small increments. You don't need to go a lot at one time, or it could have an opposite reaction. Once you've made your adjustment, mark your panel, because you never want to look at where you made your adjustment. Run the material out past your mark, cut the material off, and then you'll run a new 4 to 5 foot test piece to look at. That way you'll know if you need to go more, if it's not good enough, or less if you went too far, or if you might have hit it right on the dot the first time around. On the back side of each of these adjustment stations, there's a scribed line that runs across the whole back side. Those are our factory settings. If you happen to just go too far, or if someone actually messes with your machine that you don't know about, the best thing to do is to check those settings before you start. And if you need to, put them back to factory settings and simply start over to get a straight panel. Once you made the adjustments to the panel that you needed to and marked your panel, simply run that mark out and discard that piece. Here's the mark. That's your discarded piece. And then run out a new test piece, usually approximately 4 to 5 feet long. Look down your panel, down each corner, to check to make sure that your panel's straight. Once you know your panel is straight, you're ready to go. Otherwise, if you need to make more adjustments, you simply go back in to your desired side and make those adjustments. Thank you for watching this short video on how to adjust the uphill and downhill of your FF100 or your FF150 profiles. Check us out on YouTube, or you can go to our website at newtechmachinery.com.